I want to talk about the weird relationship that we have here in the United States with the word or any reference or any suggestion to socialism or communism. So, going back to my education, I went to a private school actually. I would say I never got a great understanding of it. And actually, I'm going to blame my teachers because it is not that hard to explain. But if you go through the lens of US propaganda, you can really, really distort what it is. So first, I just grew up thinking they were the same thing, and I was thinking communism means uh, like everybody dies. Mao Zedong, Lenin, Stalin, bad. Communism equals bad. China has a communist party, so therefore China equals bad. That pretty much sums up my education there. But now that I'm an adult and I actually bothered to read about it, I think it's actually much more nuanced, right? So communism is actually not what China is. Did you know that? Because communism is like an end goal where nobody owns private property, where everybody's equal. It's almost like the same as saying feminism or colorblind society, right? These things aren't real, they're an end goal. So that's what communism is. Whereas right now, China is socialist, where they are making certain policies in place. It's a philosophy and how they decide to run their government to try and equalize it across peoples. Now, obviously, this is not easy. Um, And of course, it results in initially very ugly revolutions, whether it's in Russia or China. It leads to a lot of resentful, poorer people, like just overthrowing, overtaking, stealing from, looting, violently killing people who were above them. Right? I thought it's quite backwards. It's like literally they spend all that time in China, um, burning books, destroying old statues and monuments, chasing out all smart people, going backwards. Right? We're talking about China, one of the most technologically advanced, a lot of smart people. They were a bunch of redneck farmers.